Assalamualaikum, we are from Group 2. This is our mixed design mini project video. So in this video, we will demonstrate the procedure for a concrete mixed design mini project. The objective of this project is to prepare concrete using a design mixed proportion and to evaluate its compressive strength. This project includes material preparation, mixing, casting, curing and compressive strength testing. The concrete mix also uses plastic as a partial replacement for sand. The following steps explain the procedure in details. Before taking all the raw materials, we first carried out the mix design calculation. This calculation helps us determine the exact quantity of each raw material required for this project. Next, we took the coarse aggregate from the aggregate storage area with an estimated weight of 3.92 kilograms. After that, we collected the sand from the sand storage area with an estimated weight of 2.06 kilograms. The aggregate was then weighed carefully to obtain the exact weight of 3.92 kilograms as required by the mix design. Next, the sand was weighed accurately to get 2.06 kilograms following the mix design calculation. Next, the cement was weighed accurately to obtain 1.26 kilograms as specified in the mix design calculation. After preparing the aggregate and sand, we took the plastic material to be used in this project.
The plastic was weighed to 0.23 kilograms, where 10% of plastic is used to replace sand in this concrete mix. Next, the water was weighed at 0.63 kilograms according to the mix design calculation done before starting the mixing process. At this stage, all the raw materials required for our concrete mix design mini project were fully prepared. For this mini project, the concrete mix was designed for 3 cubes, each with a size of 4 inches by 4 inches. The bottom of the mold was tapped to cover the holes and prevent leakage. Oil was then applied to all surfaces of the mold to make it easier to remove the concrete cubes after 1 day. Next, all the raw materials were mixed together. In this project, the mixing process was done manually using a tray and a scoop.
First, the coarse aggregate was poured into the mixing tray. Then, the sand was added into the tray. After that, the 10% plastic was added into the mixture. Next, the cement was added into the mixing tray and mixed with the other dry materials to ensure a uniform distribution before adding water. Next, the water was poured gradually, little by little, while continuously mixing all the raw material until a uniform concrete mixture was obtained. Mixture was then placed into the mold, filling 1/4 of the mold first. The concrete was vibrated briefly to ensure proper compaction and to remove trapped air.
After that, the concrete mixture was added until it reached half of the mold, followed by preparation again. The concrete mixture was then added until the mold was completely filled and the surface was flattened evenly at the top of the mold. Next, the mold was labeled. On the following day, the concrete cubes were removed from the mold and placed into the curing tank. After curing, the concrete cubes were taken out from the curing tank and left to dry for 2 hours before conducting the compressive strength test. The compressive strength test was then carried out by placing the concrete cube into the compression testing machine. The test results show that the first cube achieved 27.02 megapascal, the second cube 35.85 megapascal, and the third cube 37.10 megapascal. The average compressive strength obtained was 33.32 megapascal. That's all for our mini project video. Thank you.